a lot of counting. You ready? Let me know when you're ready. Set. Make sure you're working on good arm control. Do not cross the body. You got to stay real tall. Pull your knees up. When you get to the wickets, pull your knees up. Use your arm, use your arm, use your arm so you won't reach. You got to build up speed, build up speed, build up speed, build up speed. There you go. All right, sit. Stand firm. Remember, get tall, but don't get your shoulders behind your hips. Lift, give a little more speed. There you go, a little more speed. Try not to whine, you're whining in the back. Pull your heel into your glute, pull your heel into your glute, pull your heel into your glute. Must be holding on to a cell phone. Ooh, you weeble wobble. Sit. Oh, all right. Sit. There you go. Come on, Mick. Keep marching. Keep marching. Good arms. Good arms. Good arms. Good arms. Good arms. Good arms. Set. Good. Good arms. Good lift. Drive the elbows back. Make sure you fix those arms. Fix the arms. Fix the arms. Good, Katie. Good. There you go. Both arms swinging too. Lift, lift, lift. That's a good run right there. All right. Sit. Good form, you gotta use those arms, get those arms straight. Good lift, good lift, good lift. Go over the edge of them. Still lift, use those arms. Don't twist that body, you're twisting those shoulders a little bit. Getting tired. Number 5. Good. Nice. Good rhythm, good rhythm, good rhythm. Good rhythm. Starting to cross a little bit at the end, but that's all right. We'll fix that. Last one. Set. Try to keep those shoulders still. Drop the arms. Let the arms relax. There you go. Let the arms relax. Don't try to hold your hand up. Let your hand come all the way down below your pockets. There you go. Swing them low. Swing them low. Swing them low. Keep the shoulders straight. Pull the heels straight into the glute. Straight into the glute. Good. Stay tight. Stay tall. Stay tight. Stay tall. Stay tight. Stay tall. Keep the shoulders square. Shoulders square. Shoulder square. Good workout.